I was about to take my makeup off and I thought I'll share with you the 3-step Lucy B skincare routine. You need to start by wetting your hands and your face. So we're going to start off by using the cleanser. All of our packaging is as sustainable as it can be, so we use aluminium and frosted glass jars. So all you need is about a large pea size amount, maybe a bit more than a pea, depending on what makeup you've got on, and just apply all over the face. So I really do believe that the secret to good skin is in your cleansing routine. So by that I mean morning and night. In the morning, you need to cleanse because in the night you build up dirt, sweat and grime. And then in the morning, if you then just apply your face cream or if you put makeup on, you're putting that onto the build up on your skin. So that's where blackheads can happen or block pores and bumps under the skin. And it also will help to remove any dead skin cells. So the first layer of your skin, the epidermis, which is what you can feel, is made up of 25 to 30 dense skin cells. So if you're not exfoliating once a week and if you're not cleansing daily, you think about it, that builds up, and that's where dry skin happens. That's where the build up, as I've said, of like spots and blackheads, so around the nose, all of that build up can happen if you're not cleaning your face properly. So as I've been chatting away, I haven't put it on my face. So yeah, just apply it all over. And then in the evening, you put on the cleanser again, you wash your face with it because you take away your makeup, any pollution, any sort of dirt and grime that's built up in the day again when we sweat. If you've exercised, it's really important to cleanse. Just do circular motions all over the face. Pay any attention to areas that you feel a bit blocked up, or especially around the nose, you know, this sort of area here on your forehead, really give it a good rub. And then you just want to get your muslin cloth or a flannel and wipe it away. So I've got one here. And it's really, really important to be gentle. So I'm applying a nice pressure so I can feel it, but be careful not to drag, especially around the eyes. You can actually cause more aging and damage to your skin by using harsh products and also by being harsh with your skin. So whether that be when you're drying your face with a towel after a shower or if you're removing makeup, it's really important, especially delicate areas like the eyes, to be gentle with it and not drag it in any way. So if you've got makeup on, I'd recommend doing 2 cleansers, but as I've only got on, well, it looks a lot, but I had on a tinted moisturiser and concealer. I'm only going to do the one because I haven't done my eye area or I haven't got any mascara on. So once that's done, just dry your face. Now it's really important to dry your face after that. You do not want to leave on any of the cleanser. That needs to be completely removed from the skin. So damp down your face, dry off. And then we're going to go on to the tonic. So the Lucy B tonic is a magical bottle of ingredients. It is a tonic, so it's a toner in the sense that it helps minimise pores. Pores will always be visible if you're prone or if you have pores because they haven't got a muscle, but you can help with the appearance of them. It will also help balance out the pH level of the skin. So once you use water on your skin, it unbalances the pH level. So rebalancing it means that your like whatever you're putting on next, so your face cream or your serum or your eye serum will go on better. So with this, I'm just using a little reusable cotton pad, and I'm going to put this on my face all over. So with this product, because I wanted to really focus on hydration and that glowing skin, we've added natural AHAs to this product. So that means that you may feel slight tingling and tightening sensation because what this product does, it boosts cell renewal, so it helps with anti-aging. It also helps with your complexion, so it will help with any pigmentation, fine lines, blackheads, spots. It just helps to tighten and get rid of them. So you apply this all over the skin. You can go under the eye, but try not to go directly under it if you're sensitive. And then all over the neck. Remember, the first sort of signs of aging is the neck and the hands as well. So you definitely want to be looking after them if you're concerned about aging. Just apply that all over and let that dry in. So with these products, it's best to use them morning and night. If you're using the tonic in the morning, or any of the products actually, you need to use a SPF. I recommend SPF 50 or 30. The reason for using SPF is it will help prevent against skin cancers, it will helps with aging. So with sun damage, you obviously get fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentations, and actually the sun is the biggest thing for aging. So you could be doing all all the different lotions and potions, but if you're sitting in the sun without SPF, you're unfortunately causing more sort of trauma to your face. So it's really, really important to wear SPF. And I really recommend looking for SPF with UVA and UVB in it. So UVB protects against burn and UVA protects against anti-aging. And you should be applying that throughout the day. So then we're going to go on to our face cream. So our face cream is lovely. Well, I'm going to say that, aren't I? But it helps with redness, it helps really with the hydration of the skin, and it's also anti-aging again. So with this, you only need a tiny amount, a little goes a long way with it. And it's got turmeric in it, so that's how it helps with the redness. It can also help with tightening the skin. It's got astringents in it, so you will feel it's tightening as well. And just apply it all over the face. And there you have it. That is as easy as it is. 3 steps to healthier, brighter looking skin. The whole range is unisex as well. We've had loads of men, women using it, loving it. The feedback so far has been brilliant, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.